here everyone, it's the first Lamborghini car spotting session of the year and I think I have a couple good news for you all. First thing first, I think I have a new friend here. Now what the hell is that? But then, most importantly, I think we might have the first Lambo of the day. And it's a Urus SE. Nothing crazy, but wish me luck, cause it's freezing cold here outside. We are 7 below zero and I really hope we can see some great Lambos on the road. Let's go! First Temerario! Not the most exciting spec, I get it. Pretty cool spec on the Urus SE. Oh, finally, hybrid V12! Full yellow Revuelto with the matching calipers. Oh wait, is there a full painted rear diffuser? I've never seen this option on a Revuelto. Now I honestly didn't even know it was possible. Crazy. Okay, we've already seen this one, but stay with me for an interesting combo. Another Urus SE. With the painted rear diffuser, haha! Nice! Yo, another Revuelto! And what a crazy spec! Stunning color and optional black engine cover. Wow! Another Urus SE. Wait, is there another Revuelto? Yes, sir! Hey, friendly test driver! And a very unusual spec! Wow, okay, I like it! Oh, Temerario combo! Let's go! Nice, with the orange calipers! And the black contrast roof. Another one! Fairly standard Urus SE in a beautiful color. White Urus SE incoming. Very simple and easy spec. Oh, Revuelto! That is way better, even if they think the rear diffuser, it's kinda weird honestly. another hybrid V12. A white Revuelto, oh, with the optional black engine cover. Hey, good news, I'm also making some new friends. But back to Lambos with the Temerario. Oh wow, these are some very bold calipers on a black Temerario. Yet another Urus SE. Full black with the yellow seatbelts. Very nice, another Revuelto. Oh my god! Beautiful spec on this one! Yeah, just another black Urus SE. Hey, take a listen! My god, what a spec on this Revuelto! That was really beautiful! Here it comes, a Temerario! Action, let's go! We now have a non-camouflage Temerario. Oh, the startup sound! That was quite loud. White Urus SE with the red details, alright! Oh, and that great thing at the back! Hey, new Temerario! It's the yellow one with the Alleggerita package, very cool. Finally, a bolder spec for the Urus, an orange SE. Wow, another Alleggerita package Temerario, and what a beautiful matte blue spec! No way, another Revuelto! Is this my lucky day? Wait, oh wow! Revuelto! Oh, it's the dual tone black and white one. I think I heard an hybrid Urus. Oh, wait, so I think we might have a combo. Blue one and also, yeah, the orange one. Let's go! Not the worst combo ever, come on! Hey, we might have something interesting! Green Temerario, maybe? Alright, and it's a test mule, very nice! That is pretty cool, a matte orange Temerario! Yeah, unfortunately it's very quiet in full electric mode. Hey, very nice! Loud Urus incoming, check it out! Oh! Yep, can confirm! Very angry Urus! Ain't no way, another Revuelto! Wait, what? Isn't this the same exact spec we've already seen today? I'm kinda confused. What is going on today? Another Temerario! Oh yes, another matte Blu Alleggerita! A new Temerario! Ooh, very dark blue! And yellow calipers, I think? Come on, try to focus. Very well, another angry Urus. Careful guys, very loud Revuelto incoming. That is a crazy one.